Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and it's kind of interesting to see that we have lost a app that showed up temporarily yesterday. So some of you said, hey, I can't find the app, I can't find your phone app, it's not available in the US. Well, it was temporarily. So what happened? Your phone, which is there to actually link your phone and get, for example, right now the only feature of your phone app is synchronizing the last 25 pictures from your Android phone. It was kind of nice because it showed up in the store. People said, and a lot of people noticed and said, "Oh man, your phone is available also for 1803, the latest version." Of course, yesterday I was planning on actually talking about it, but when I got to find it and download it, this is what it says. Your PC doesn't have RS5, which is the insider build. So basically, it doesn't work. And that's because the real one was there for a while. And at some point early yesterday afternoon, they removed it. The only thing that we know is that a developer actually tweeted that the app was mistakenly put online. It was not supposed to be there. And it's just not ready yet. So they removed it because it is not ready for prime time, and it has a lot of things not working yet. So basically, insiders, we got it, and the only thing is that it was, we thought it was okay, and we would be ready to have it for Windows 10 version 1803, but apparently not yet. So not for now, but at least it gave us a little idea of one thing, is that it will eventually be available for the version 1803 of Windows 10. So it's just a question of time. When it's really ready, it'll be up. So if you're searching for the app, don't lose your time. It ain't available anymore for the latest version of Windows 10. If you need or want to use it, you'll have to be in the insider builds. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.